Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you another super early project to join, and it's called SuperIntent, which is an AI based project. They say it's the first Omni-Chain AI crypto super app. Basically, it will help you find alpha opportunities for trading and investments. Right now, you can download it, but currently it's only available for iOS. Also, if you want, you can visit their website for more details. If you check their X handle, you'll notice they only have around 12k followers, which means we are joining super early in this project. But the best part is this project is backed by some top names such as Circle, Mechanism Capital, Gumi Cryptos Capital, and a few others. They're also very active and share lots of updates, which is really a positive sign for any project. Before joining the project, if you haven't yet joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing out on lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you'll find the page link. After landing on that page, first you need to connect your wallet. So click on Connect Wallet. Then choose any of these wallets. For example, I'll select Phantom Wallet. Then a pop-up will appear. Simply click on Connect. After that, you'll need to sign it. And then click on Confirm. Now click on Adventure Begins. Here you can use my referral code, which I provided in the description. By doing that, you'll get extra 200 points. Then click Continue. Now enter your email, verify it, and then click Continue your mission. Finally, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, click on the Edit section. Since we already connected the email, you'll see a tick mark. Now you can also connect your X profile, so click on Connect. Then authorize the app. And it's done. Go back to the dashboard and click on Verify. That's done too. Now click on Social. Here you'll find some more basic tasks. Let's click on one. It will redirect you to their website. Check it. Then go back and click on Verify. And the task is complete. Next, let's follow their X profile. Click on Follow. It will redirect you to X. Follow their profile. Then go back and click Verify. Right now, it might show an error. You can try again later if you face a similar issue. Also, don't forget to complete all the remaining tasks. They are very easy to do. Next, click on the referral section. You can earn a few extra points by referring your friends. You will find your referral link here. You can copy it and share it with your friends and on social media. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.